Today's day, it is March 2nd. That's the day that I always start my journey on my garden. And so really for the next 9 months, I have a goal to film a little bit, maybe each day or every other day, and to show it to you guys how I prepare on my homestead to grow 80% of my food. So right now, here is my greenhouse from outside. It needs cleaned up. We have a tarp that I keep over this. We screw it in for the winter. Let me show you here. And I will remove it, but not right now. And in my greenhouse, I have 2 doors. So eventually, when the weather warms up a little more, then I will take these tarps down, and then I'll have nice airflow coming through where no animals or birds can come in. It is 46 degrees out here. I do live in Ohio, and inside the greenhouse it is 70 degrees. So I will close the door to keep us warm. But I have a mess here to clean up that I left from last year. Right now for winter, up here I have some styrofoam that we put up on just the top. So when it snows, the snow will hit that and then continuously to slide down off. So that way the snow won't, cave the plastic in. Now I did bring my herbs in here. The herbs that survived through the winter here was the sage, the parsley, and a little bit of the oregano, and I forget what that's called. I am going to repot these and put them in bigger pots because I need a whole lot more of the herbs. Then eventually I will move these out to another greenhouse, which I'll show you. This will be my outside kind of like a greenhouse for the herbs. And you notice right now I have these going across. I will come in here and I will put a plastic just over the top from here, down, all the way down through here. That way the sun could still come in, they could still get fresh air, and that way I can monitor how much water that I'm able to water them so the rain doesn't come down right on them. Right here is my peppermints, and they're starting to come in. So we have a lot of weeding to take care of. And this grass has accumulated, but we will get it out of here. And then this year I'm going to lay down a tarp, like a weed barrier and stuff like that, so that way I don't have to deal with the grass anymore. This is the back side. And when I put this greenhouse up, the wind mostly comes this way. So that's why I put it this way. It's a little tough because of the door here. Okay. And like I said, we have, I have heavy screen here, so the wind can come right through. So I do want to get this stuff out of here. There we go. I said when winter came, I was ready just to pull everything, put everything away, call it a year till next year, till this spring. Whoops. And this is the neatest thing. My brother made this for me. He took a 55-gallon drum and, what's this thing called?
A dolly?
A dolly, yeah. And he put a rod in the middle of it here. And it is so nice to be able to just roll your garden tools around. And then he put a little warning sign that I'm coming. Put a little bell on it. Just to let everybody know he says Grace is coming on her. She's get out of her way. So let me show you the bar that I'm talking about. That bar, Toby, will you show them that bar in the middle of the barrel there? Okay. And the reason why that's there is to keep, like pull those back to show them. You know, so that way when you got it tilted back, it doesn't come and hit you in the face. All right, you want to help me with this, Toby? We need to build a ramp here. Wait. Ouch. This shed here is what I use. I'm just temporarily putting that in there. But when I go start to dig up my potatoes and my onions, and this is where I dry them, I have a rack in there, and when the time comes, I will show you that. I have a bunch of stuff here that just needs, you know, let's go ahead. Toby, I'll let you go ahead and do that. Get all that, and then pull these out and throw the weeds all in there, okay? That's not too bad in here. Go ahead and bring me a thing of water in. Got this finished and ready to go, so I got all my pots and stuff here ready to go. I do have some potting soil that I need, and these are the racks that I put my plants on. And once I take the styrofoam out, the sun will come down on this and it really brightens it up in here. And then I also have a shade cloth that can go over top of this one later on in the summer. So then over here I have, of course, you know, there's my herbs already. Then I have a rod up here, and I will hang plants up here on this rod here. The only thing I got to do, I have some boards to put down so that the dirt don't come through here. I got to finish it down through here, and then I will start planting. I'm going to fill this in with some more good top fill dirt and stuff. And I am planting 500 onions this year, and I will put some of those onions inside. All right, guys, take care, and we'll see you next time.